What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 7 live cop. And this week is crazy. It's highlighted by the Jordan collab that I talked about last week. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm already calling it. We're taking nothing but L's today. I already know it. I already know it because we're going for personals as well as things to sell. And this is where it gets a little scary. I want that basketball the most, and I kind of feel like I might single card it, but I'm not for sure. But I just have a really bad feeling. I think that thing's gonna fly. I could be completely wrong, and then it messes everything up because I also wanted to get the Biggie tee, the socks, the hoodie, the bag, the jersey, the jacket, the headband. Like, it just doesn't stop. There's so many things that I want to go for, but I just have a bad feeling about this week. Like, it's Supreme, it's Jordan, they haven't done it in a while, so I just kind of feel like it's just gonna fly. That's just at least what I think. So I don't really know the plan. Like I said, I kind of want to single card the ball, but being in the queue and not being able to open up a tab, I feel like that might be kind of risky because everything's just gonna sell out by the time I get the ball. So I don't know if I should get the ball and try to add maybe like 2 Biggie tees, but I don't think that's gonna be free shipping yet. But at this point, I don't really think free shipping cares. And again, I could be completely wrong. Everything could sit on the site for a little bit, so I could have had time, but I don't know what the initial plan is going to be, but we're going to see when we get right into it. So like I said at the beginning, there's 8 things that we're going for. If I'm lucky, I might be able to get 2 of them, maybe even 1 of them. I don't really think it's going to be that much of a W. I don't want to sound negative, but it's kind of just how I'm feeling for today. But before we get into that live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my Brandon Sutton. All the information will be on screen and the description down below. We actually have a drop coming tomorrow, and I haven't even announced it, so if you're watching this video, you are actually the first people to know. It's going to be a breast cancer awareness tee that I do pretty much every single year, and we donate all the proceeds to the National Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation. So if that is something you're interested in, you can go in the description down below, click the website, and sign up for our email list to be notified tomorrow when that drop happens. But enough talking, let's get the screen recorder going and let's get into this live cop and hope for the dub. All right, we got the screen recorder going. We only actually have 20 seconds left until the drop, so I think I'm gonna load in on new, and I don't think I said this before, but I might also try on my phone. I've been having nothing but L's though when I try the phone, so I don't even know if that's even gonna be worth it. I already can't even load the website. Oh, there we go. But let's see. It's 11. Let's go. Where's the new? Let's hit the refresh. Oh my god, what is this? Not looking good. Is this really about to be the craziest drop of the year? Okay, it already loaded in. Not a good sign. Where's the ball? Here's the ball. No, come on, come on. I'm gonna go back and try to get the shirt if I can see the shirt. Oh, I clicked on the jersey on accident, but that's alright. It's not going. No! That probably cleared out the cart too. Dang. Oh, it's in the cart. Okay. I'm just gonna check out like this. I don't even care. I'm just gonna check out. I got more than wow, this one's actually kind of hard. I got more than enough things in my cart than I thought I was gonna get. Now I'm gonna try on my phone. Hopefully this doesn't go. Just get the Biggie tee. Still loading on that, and the phone is not working pretty much at all right now. Dang, that headband is $40. All right, we are still loading. I was having a lot of difficulty on the phone. Like I said, the phone's almost getting pointless at this point to even try to do. I'm thinking it's gonna be an L, guys. We're still in the checkout. It's 11:02 pretty much, and I don't think we're gonna get through this line. This is not looking good for us. Is it even worth it trying on Safari? Safari also can never do it. Oh, what did I say? Jersey's gone. Jersey's gone. At least let me through though. Can you at least let me through? Come on. Nah, this is not good. All right, so on my phone, it's showing that the medium's the only size. I mean, the medium's the only size in stock, so I guarantee that the medium's about to go right now. There we go. I was correct. And now, hopefully I can just get through on this ball. Is this gonna be an L? We don't cop anything? Biggie tees are sold out on my phone too, it says. So I'm thinking this was an L. I don't think we got anything. We're just waiting here for the ball. Are we even gonna get through? What did I say? It's 11:03 and this site's pretty much cleared. I literally called it. Can we at least just get the ball? Come on, let's at least get the ball. It's just a waiting game now. It's just a waiting game. This is gonna be the dumbest cart ever too. I have the socks and the headband, and I can't even get through on that. So there's no way they're gonna let me through on the ball. Come on. What did I say? Huge L. We can't even get through. Is it even worth it? All right, here. I'll open up Safari so I can show you guys, because we're probably just not even gonna get through anyways. All the jerseys are sold out except black, which can't even see black. Oh, I don't know why I was showing the Biggie tees sold out. Just a few. Wait, that's strange. Yeah, it was showing it was literally just showing on my phone that it was sold out. Jerseys are gone. Still showing the balls in stock, so maybe we have a chance to get through on that. Try to add the ball to this cart. Dang, the jacket's gone. I'm just gonna try to get through like this. Oh, jerseys are sold out, but we're getting through on the ball. I'm just gonna single card it. I don't even care. Taking so many L's, at least hopefully now I can just at least feel something. Did we get it? All right, we got the ball. We got the ball. Are we really just gonna get one thing today? Let's go back. Dang, that's gone. I just added that on Safari. All right, that's gone. Jerseys are gone. I already know that. Let's try to get these big ETs. Going back to new. Probably could have clicked that differently, but it's whatever. Bag. Oh, it takes you to the next bag. These socks. Dang, I don't know what size. Maybe I should just get large. The other socks I got were way too small, so maybe I should just get large. Something sold out on my cart. Yeah, the bat. I mean, not the bag. The track jacket sold out. Dang, it's still showing that it's here. All right, we're gonna try to get this. This is probably gonna be a dumb cart. Oh yeah, there it is. Right there, 0. So there's probably no way this is going through. Dang, I'm still not even through on my phone, and I just have socks and a headband. No one else wants this. Come on, can we at least get through on this? Some sold out. Oh, I already knew that sold out. Let's at least get the big ET. Man, all Supreme is lately is just waiting. That's all you gotta do. They need to get rid of this. This was never a thing back in the day. We don't need this. Is it even worth trying to get on my phone? I feel like at this point I should just leave this. All right, so the track jacket is now sold out. I just got the notification on my phone at least. It's still showing it right here, but I know it's sold out. I also thought that that Polar Tech Shirling reversible pullover in the camel colorway was sick, but I don't really know if I could pull that off. Is it really about to let me go through on Apple Pay? I'm paying shipping again, but at this point I don't even care. I'll throw a screenshot up if I can actually get this. No, it couldn't go through. Well, that is unfortunate. Can't get through on my phone. And how am I still loading this? Half this stuff is sold out now. All right, that went through. Big ET is sold out. Is this even worth like going through all this work right now? No way. I'm going back. I don't even care. I can't even get through on my phone. Oh, I need the black one. Jackets are all gone. Wow, we actually got right through when I added that. Please just let me check out with this. I'm paying shipping twice. Just let me cash out. Could this be it? Could we get it? All right. I'm actually quite surprised. So we got all that stuff. We got 2 big ETs, a white and black, in medium and large. Not the sizes that I wanted, but I'm getting pretty desperate. Man, I can't even believe that. I didn't even get a jersey or a jacket. Straight flew. Wow, the ball's still in stock? That's very annoying. Man, so there's just not a lot of things on the website right now to like get free shipping with, because like I don't need any of this other stuff. No way, they're gonna put me back in the queue again? Well, I'm not gonna get that. That's a waste of time then. What is going on? I kind of thought I was gonna get, oh, I did get right, kind of. Well, I still waited, so I guess that's not right through. I'm tripping. Okay, did we at least get free shipping once and 2 more big ETs? Okay, we got 2 more big ETs, so that's good. A bunch of random things that I don't need either. But we got the free shipping, we got 2 more big ETs. I might just call it a day because I'm really upset on the jackets. I can't believe I didn't get a single jacket. And obviously I didn't get a hoodie. I kind of felt like I wasn't going to get that. I mean, we've taken an L on every single jersey. I think I just said hoodie. I meant jersey. I'm taking an L on every single jersey this season. That's just how it is. Wow, Big ET is still here? That's actually kind of crazy to me. And I want to get more of these. I don't know why. I already forgot what sizes I got. Wow, that camo is still in stock too. That's kind of crazy to me. The pants? Oh, the blue ones are still in stock. I might just pay shipping again. I might just do it. How many times did I pay shipping today? 2? 3 times? You could at least let me right through. Dang, this recording's at 15 minutes. It's been this long. Nothing but L's. 15 minutes of straight L's. All right, this is gonna be my last cart if I can get through on this. I should have screenshot. Oh, I just got through. Okay, whatever. We're just cashing out. At this point, I don't even care. But what I was saying, what's nuts too is I still didn't get through on my phone, and it just literally just had the socks and the bag and the headband. So I have no idea how that didn't go through. There we go. So might have been pointless to even buy that, to be honest, but at this point I don't even care. That $10 shipping, really sad. I think we paid shipping 3 times today. Again, I already forgot. I'm gonna take, before I end this screen recording, let me go take one last look at this Big ET. I honestly thought this was gonna fly, this Big ET. I'm very surprised. I got 6 of them and I didn't think I was gonna be able to get any of them. I'm quite surprised, to be honest, that this didn't sell out faster. I feel like now it's on the XL. No, that's probably not real. I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm just gonna end this screen recording right now. It's whatever. We're taking the L. Again, we're taking the L's. That's like every single week. I can't believe that was almost an 18-minute long video. I'm gonna have to cut a lot of that stuff out. 18 minutes on the site and I didn't get the things that I wanted. I think the things that I actually like wanted, I got 3 of them, maybe 4 of them. That we didn't get a single jersey, and I don't think we got a jersey any week so far that I wanted. We didn't get any of the jackets, and I tried both the jackets. We didn't get, I forgot about the hoodie. I literally forgot to go for the hoodie. And I said that. I know I'm not screen recording right now, but at the time of this recording, it's a full size run on the black hoodie. Maybe I shouldn't have went for that. So I guess that was a blessing in disguise. I'm not even gonna check out. I'm a little annoyed. I could have added that in to get free shipping. I should have just left that. How did I forget about that? Dang, that is crazy. But yeah, huge L of a week. At least I got the ball, and honestly now at 11:20, the ball is still in stock. At least we got it. I'd rather pay the extra $10 if it were to resell, because usually if I don't get it, it resells. If I get it, it's it's a brick. So whatever, I'm happy with it since that was the one personal I wanted and I did get it. We just took an L on everything else, but that's all right. But like I said at the beginning of the video, my brand Sudden will be doing a drop tomorrow. All the information will be on the screen as well as in the description if you want to check that out. But while you're down there, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And again, that information is in the description down below. I appreciate all your guys' support. Make sure you check out my other videos as well as my shorts. I have been starting to upload shorts lately, so if that also is something you're into, go on my page. You can see all my videos I've been uploading and hopefully going to be uploading a lot more. So stay tuned for those. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.